Welcome everyone, I would like to show how to fix each earbud from your LG Tone Free showing up separately inside the settings. So what you're going to do is, in order to fix this, is you can open up the settings application, then you're going to tap into connections, Bluetooth, and when you see each individual earbud, you're going to tap into the settings, and you're going to see unpair, tap on unpair, and just do that for each individual earbud. Next, what you're going to do, as you see here, your LG Tone Free earbuds, you just want to make sure both of them are inside of the case and that the case is has enough charge to charge each individual earbud. This is because the next step, we're going to repair the earbuds when both of them are inside of the case. If the case is dead and one of the earbuds are also dead, only one of the earbuds will pair, and then when you try to process again, the other one will pair, and they will only pair separately, and that's going to erase the the solution. So what you're going to do, make sure both of them have enough charge, and once you've done that, you just need to put your earbuds into pairing mode. So in my case, I just hold down here for a couple of seconds until this blue light goes off. And once this blue light goes off, you're going to see this message here. Just tap on connect and you should be good to go. Now, of course, if this doesn't work, you don't see this message, you can always manually pair via the Bluetooth area inside the settings. And just like that, we tap on done. If I go into settings, connections, Bluetooth, you can see everything has been solved. So really, that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.